we start the name of God. After that, may peace and prayers be upon all messengers and prophets. After the opening prayers, we have within the will of God, we have finally reached the finish line of our primary chapter. That's the Somali Pronunciation Guide. And this is a recap, a review of what we have learned so far. We have said the Somali alphabet consists 21 consonants, 5 short vowels and 5 long vowels. Ba, ta, ja, ha, ha, da, ra, za, sha, ba, a, ga, fa, ka, Morgan, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. We have said there are 5 long vowels: a, e, I, O, U. We have said there are 5 short vowels. There are a, e, I, O, U. The Somali alphabet was implemented during the administration of former Somali President Mohammed Ziyad Barre in 1972. We have placed short and long vowel. We have placed short and long vowel before and after each consonant to find the syllables of the Somali word. To find the syllables of the Somali word, we have placed short and long vowel before and after each consonant. This is very important. Please note well. Vowels coming at the beginning of the Somali word shall be particular syllable on the condition they are not followed by 2 different consonants. For example, ayan, ayo, ayer, eber, edu, ebe, igar, ilo, iman, olole, ofin, ubat, ubah, ururin. But In case of two different consonants follow the vowel is coming at the beginning of the Somali word. The first one becomes closed, while the other one, follows its respective vowel. Its respective vowel. You understand? For example, adkeen, anfariir, edbin, ikraan, iftiin, oonka, uurka. On the other hand, consonants coming at the first of a given Somali word, at the beginning of Somali word, are followed by either short or long vowel, right? As we have mentioned in our previous lessons. This consonant plus consonant plus short or long vowel, and then you have another consonant plus short or long vowel. But if two different consonants come at the center of a given Somali word, the first consonant is closed by the preceding vowel, whereby the next consonant follows its respective vowel. For example, this is not the Bapur. Right now I'm giving the examples of the two different consonants in the center of the Somali word. Just first consonant plus vowel plus consonant plus vowel, and Bapur, Taco, Chama, Harir, Harago, Kharash. And now the examples of the two different consonants at the center. Khaldan, Khaldan. We have L and D coming at the center of the Somali word, Khaldan. The L becomes closed by the A preceding A. Khaldan, Bengi. We have N and G coming at the center of the Somali word. Okay. There are letters called doubled letters, include M, N, G, R, L, D, and T. Manala Garadba. You have a doubled letters. The doubled letters. We have said they are M, N, G, R, L, E, and D. So mostly always they come at the center of the Somali word. It is not necessary to double them unless there is another word that is homoph- homophones, homophones, for example, Kali and Kali. Um, you can dispense to double them unless there is a similar word with similar sound. You see, Kali and Kali. We have placed short and long vowel before and after each consonant and found some meaningful Somali words. Ba, bu, ip, op, ta, te, ot, eh, uk, da, de, at, et, ot, ri, ir, ur, si, se, so, us, as, us, ish, gu, ag, af, if, uf, uk, ka, ku, ka, ke, ku, ko, ek, lo, la, le, il, ul, il, on, ur, wa, au, ha, he, ho, ah, eh, ah, I, a, su, ku, ho, oi, ug. We divide the consonants into three parties. See, to actually make easier the Somali pronunciation guide, we divide the consonants into three parties. The first part is called easy to pronounce. Very simple to pronounce. Include ta, da, ra, sa, ba, la, na. These letters we simply put our tongue and the gum behind our two front teeth. Understand? Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Da, de, di, do, du. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Sa, se, si, so, su. Da, de, di, do, du. La, le, li, lo, lu. na, ne, ni, no, nu. So while adding the consonants, I have what do they call, a formula to follow. And you push up little bit. That we have ta, ta. You push it up while adding and a and a. You push it backward. Te, te. T. You push it down to make the T sound. T. T also we push it back. We push it backward to make T. Backward T. O and O. We push it forward a little bit. Okay. To, 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 to. To make the O and O, to and to. Very simple. Likewise, all other consonants. Okay. We have letters that's relevant letters include ba, ja, sha, ga, fa, ka, ma, wa, ha, ya. So these letters, especially the ga, is not ga. Like the English, you don't say ga. We simply say the ga. Fa is very similar, ka, ma, wa, ha, ya. So we have here letters that is not part in the English alphabet. We have ha here, ka, and a. So in order to make these letters, I have included a shortest in the pronunciation guide explaining how to how to pronounce these letters. Ha, ka. It is a sound that comes from the right side of the uvula. I have the air called it. So simply the air called area is push it up, down, backward, forward to make the sound is, you see, ha, he, he, ho, hu, ha, he, ho, hu, ha, he, ho, hu, a, he, o, u. We have two ka here in the Somali language. One is the K and H, the other one is Q. So please You can use any of them to express um, ha, the sound of ka. In order to make that sound, please, you can use any of them. Some Somalis add e and y to the consonants instead instead of that the vowel e. They say b, t, j, h, k, d, r, c, sh, l, I, g, f, k, k, t, n, w, h. Finally, there is no natural Somali. I repeat it again. There is no natural Somali sound unique for the capital letters, small letters, and when they are added up. You see, as a result, all of them sound similarly. However, there could be a possible scenario useful for the Somali voice recognition software, and I will keep you updated. By the way, we have no Somali words starting the and the, but it can be included. It doesn't matter if you include the and the in the Somali words, it can be understood. It is very clear, right? Sa, se, si, so, su, sa, se, si, so, su, za, ze, zi, zo, zu, za, ze, zi, zo, zu, za, ze, zi, zo, zu. So there I uh, conclude the recap of our Somali pronunciation guide chapter. Bye bye.